Hello guys, so today is the jackhammer video, and here, just let me show it to you. This is what basically the a jackhammer is. Oh, sorry about that. It's just like something that you just bounce on, and it's really cool. Now just like I like doing it this way because I don't really like editing or just like editing. Yeah, God. Sorry for my language. Just got some voice troubles. So, and then like I've heard, cause I'm like really good at this game, and opens for the poor people. I do donate. Please do not offend me. Anyway, so like this was like normal Arctic reindeer, or like a fly ride low tier ultra rare, or a ride low tier, or like in legendary, or in normal mid tier legendary. And then this would also be worth like and like chocolate egg. So let's see what people have to offer. Let's see if we're gonna get any. This is gonna be the trade. Guys, comment down below. Would this be a good trade? I don't think it is. Comment down below if it was a good or bad trade. For that, if I would have done it. Let's see here. So we have some juicy gossip going on over here. Now, and then warning, I also should have put this on the About Me. I like to make pretty long videos to entertain, so some of it might be boring, and then like I'll just put like the skip points down in the description down below. And these videos do cost money, so just like if you could subscribe and like hit the notification bell. It is free, plus up. And then support me using code Uncle Damien Dabby down when buying Robux. Thank you. Oh, we have offer. Okay, let's see what he has to offer. Let's see what he has to offer. Oh, he declined. Oh, darn it! So he actually offered a Fly Neon Frost Furry, which those were 1,000 Robux, as much as the Ice Golems now in the winter update. So yeah, that probably wasn't gonna happen, because that's not worth just an Arctic reindeer normal. Here, I'm just going to start trading people, because this is going to be boring, and I don't think really people want it, and this is a really hard thing to trade. I'm going to trade this person. Her name is Minari. Let's see what she offers. Oh, she has climbed. Okay. Do not worry, because I still have more offers. I'm going to put my name back to YT. Oh, we have cars. I love to trade for cars. Cars are my favorites. Wink, wink. So if you have any cars, trade me. Good offer. Yep, sorry. I don't give away free stuff. Only to the homeless and poor, and I don't really do stuff like this, but guys, comment down below your opinion of the hardest thing to trade. For this, it would be jackhammer, because usually all my pets always get offers. I haven't got one offer yet. Here. I'm gonna trade easy and see what he has to offer. If he has anything to offer, and he's not accepting. Okay. So I'm gonna trade a Caden Q11333. He just declined right away for some reason. We're doing this until I trade this, so this should be fun. And guys, please watch till end because I get something very good. And it's a surprise. Guys, look at all of this. People are spamming the chat over here, bro. I have to record on camera because this is getting really hard. Oh guys. How do you like my room? It's nature themed. Comment down below. And then hit a like or a dislike. Dislike for bad room or good for good room. And if I trade this, give me a thumbs up. And just destroy that like button. Spam and in the like button. And just saying my dislike button has COVID on it, so I don't think you want to be touching that. But if you touch the like button, you will never have to get a shot ever again. I'm not gonna guarantee that, but I can kind of. At least if you're over 70 years old. Okay, so we have party thing. 2 mega snow pumas. Ooh, we have Swan in server. Yes, okay. Okay, yes. First offer, let's go. And she just climbed. Kind of sucks that I have to do this until I trade it. Or I might just make a part 2. Oh, guys, good trade. I am gonna. Oh, darn it. I'm gonna have to make a part 2 for this. But if you liked the video, please smash that like button so hard that no one else can like it ever again. And then poison and the dislike buttons because we do not have haters. Oh, guys.